Hi everyone! It's been a while. Been yun na, hindi it's been a while. It's been a while. So, kamusta po kayong lahat? So, this is another content from my YouTube channel. So, thank you so much for all the subscribers that I have currently. And thank you also for those who are attending or joining me during my live streaming. So, for today's video, I'm gonna show you my pets once again. I just really love them, so kailangan kong ilipat yung ano nito kasi nakikita ko siya kumakain one of my pet. Si Mariano kumakain na nito. So, ayan, so hindi ko alam kung ano pipindutin ko dito para lumipat yung camera sa kabila. Bakit walang option dito para pumunta siya? Eh, ganito na nga lang. Yan! Ay, gusto na siya. Ayan pala. Yan, ganyan kadumi yung kwarto. Mariana! Hey, Mariana! What are you doing? Are you hungry, baby? Are you hungry? Hey, look at daddy first. Uy! Ayun, so ayaw niyang magpa-storbo kasi kumakain siya. While the rest, all the other two cats that you have are just sleeping. Tingnan natin sila. Ayan. So, paano tayo makakapagtrabaho ngayon? Diba? So, what are we supposed to do? Close your eyes, baby. No. We're gonna sleep na. We're gonna sleep. We're gonna sleep. We're gonna sleep. And sleep. Close your eyes.